We'll guide you through how to copy calendar in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they often need to duplicate meetings without creating a new event from scratch in Microsoft Outlook. It helps save time when scheduling recurring sessions, rescheduling meetings, or reusing the same attendee list and details. Many users are unsure where the duplicate option is located in the calendar view. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log into your account. Make sure the email address is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process and access your mailbox. Once you are successfully signed in, go to the Calendar section by clicking the calendar icon located in the left sidebar of the Outlook window. This will display all your scheduled events and meetings. Next, locate the calendar event that you want to copy by browsing through the correct date. When you find the event, right-click on the event to open the context menu with additional options. From the menu that appears, select Duplicate Event to create a copy of the meeting. A Meeting Details window will open, showing the duplicated event information. In this window, change the title if needed, for example to Team Meeting, by clicking on the title field and typing the new name. Add or remove email attendees if necessary, for example by removing certain attendees from the list. Change the meeting date if required by selecting the Date field and adjusting it to your preferred date using the calendar picker. Update the meeting time if needed by clicking the Time field and modifying it accordingly to match your desired schedule. Edit the meeting description if necessary by clicking inside the description box and typing your new content. For example, team meeting to share updates and plan priorities for the week ahead. After making all the necessary changes, review the entire meeting details carefully to make sure everything is correct and accurate. Once you are satisfied with the information, click Send to send the duplicated meeting invitation to all listed attendees. Check your calendar to ensure the meeting has been successfully copied to the selected date and appears correctly in your schedule.